What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a few cool useful options which have been added on the quick panel on One UI 5.0. Most of these buttons are associated with the accessibility options on the phone. Now with the help of these new toggles or these new options, it is very easy to quickly access the accessibility features on the device. Earlier, we had to go to the settings and then tap on accessibility and then access some of the features. We really had to dig into each feature to see what is there. But now we have got these quick toggles right on the quick panel. Let's dive in and have a look at all of them. But before we go ahead, if you would love to know your phone better, be sure to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you see any value in these content. Now let me show you the change log of One UI 5.0 here. It says more accessibility options in the quick panel, high contrast font, color inversion, color adjustment and color filters can be added to the quick panel for easier access. Now let me just pull down this quick panel and show you these options, and let me show you how exactly they work as well. As you can see, the first one is high contrast fonts. When we tap on this, the entire font on the phone turns into high contrast font. As you can see here, when I turn it off, it is in the normal mode, and when I turn it on, the fonts are in high contrast. Whenever you are not able to read the font on the phone, if it is too tiny or if it is not visible, you can make use of this toggle to turn those fonts into high contrast font. I'm sure this will be useful for a lot of people out there. The next toggle is color inversion. As the name suggests, this inverts the color on the phone. Let me just tap on this. As you can see, the color is inverted over here. The next one is add color filter. Again, this is meant for specific people. This will add a color filter over the entire screen. This may help make text easier to read. Now let me just tap on the title below this icon. As you can see, it says add a color filter over the entire screen. This may help make text easier to read. Again, this will be useful for some of them out there. I'll just tap on details. As you can see, we can select the color filter we want, and we can also select the opacity of that color filter. Let me go back and turn on this color filter. As you can see, the screen is in blue here because I have set the blue tint. That's the third one. Then we have got color adjustment toggle here. Let me just tap on color adjustment here and tap on details. As you can see, this is the color adjustment screen which is inside the phone settings. Whenever you turn on that quick button on the quick panel, the color will be adjusted according to the preferences you have set on this menu. Now let's say I have selected grayscale. When I toggle this on, you will see the phone will turn into grayscale mode. Or you can select any other options which suits your requirements. These are the 4 accessibility quick toggles which have been added on the quick panel. Apart from this, I also see battery protect toggle which has also arrived on One UI 4.1. This toggle will help you extend the battery lifespan by limiting the maximum charge to 85%. If you want to toggle this on, you can do it right here. And then we have got an option called modes. Now earlier this modes option used to be Bixby routines. Now we have got modes. Let me just tap on modes here. As you can see, we have got sleep, driving, exercise, relax, work modes. If I tap on details, it will directly take me to the Bixby routines page. Now the Bixby routines menu has been revamped, and I will be discussing this in a separate video. I will showcase what has really changed on the Bixby routines on your Galaxy devices. Stay tuned for that video and be sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Let me know if you have noticed any other toggles on your beta version of the software. Do drop a comment. Now I have made a bunch of videos on One UI 5.0 features. There are plenty of features on offer which Samsung has added in the recent iteration of One UI. Go ahead and check the videos out. I have left some of them in the description. I have also made a video on this multi-user account experience. Finally, Samsung has added this cool new feature, the multi-user accounts, using which we can switch to different accounts on a single Galaxy device. I have explained this in detail in the dedicated video. Again, I'll leave this video link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. My name is Salyan, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.